America Election News 2024. Another difficulty arises in Trump's strategy at Letitia James' office. Following a $454 million civil fraud verdict against former President Donald Trump, the Office of New York Attorney General Letitia James asked a state appeals court to order him to post a bond covering the whole amount on Wednesday. Following Monday's filing of court papers, Trump's legal team maintained that the former president would not be able to secure a bail in the entire amount due to the sheer difficulty of doing so. His lawyers have already asked if Trump might pay $100 million while he takes the decision to court. A court document from Wednesday by Dennis Fan, Senior Assistant Solicitor General in James' office, stated that Trump's counsel has failed to sufficiently demonstrate that he is unable to secure the bond. Fan stated that the defendant's new claims and legal justifications do not back their unusual request for a stay, which is based on a bond or deposit that is less than 25% of the money judgment amount. He went on to say, the idea that the defendants can't get a complete bond because it's impossible stems from their assumption that they have to get a single bond from a single surety for the full $454 million judgment. On Wednesday, Newsweek emailed a Trump spokesman to request response. In 2022, James sued Trump for civil fraud, claiming that Trump had lied about his wealth and assets for years in order to get better business loans. He also accused Trump's adult sons, Donald Jr. and Eric, and other Trump Organization personnel of being involved in the conspiracy. New York State Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron, who was supervising the case, found Trump guilty of fraud in the fall. After adding interest, Trump's penalty of $355 million from February reached to $454 million. According to the ex-president, he is completely innocent of any wrongdoing. Trump slammed the justices in a Truth Social post following Engoron's announcement of the punishment, describing them as crooked and corrupt. The deadline for Trump to post the bond is Monday. James has the right to confiscate his property, including Trump Tower, if he fails to comply by the due date. The penalty for each day he doesn't pay is also accruing interest of $112,000 more. About $457 million is what he owes right now. According to Trump's legal team, the president would be required to put up collateral equal to nearly $557 million, or 120% of the verdict. This bond will be considered by relatively few bonding companies. According to the attorney's testimony before the appeals court, Trump could try to get a bond for more than one surety, according to Fan's filing. The fact that Trump might be hiding the value of his assets was another point he made. Sureties may have declined to accept defendants' specific properties as collateral, according to Fan's writing. This is likely due to the fact that using Mr. Trump's real estate often requires a property appraisal, and the value of his holdings is significantly lower than what the defendants say. Nobody is going to want to become entangled in this poisonous situation he has found himself in at the moment. In other words, James will collect the full money by selling off Trump's property before Monday, or Trump must convince a judge that he is not required to post a bond. James, in my opinion, is going to make rapid progress.